Good evening, everybody. This is Kelly Chun. I want to do a tutorial on SmartLinks. What we recommend going forward is that not only you set up SmartLinks that are public, that way they never expire. That is bypassing any pin option. You don't add a pin at the end when you save that SmartLink. That's going to keep them from expiring and make them last going forward. I also recommend that new smart links be set up. Everybody should have a subscription in place. So I'll show you what I mean as I go through that, but let's get started. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to walk you through this. So when you go to your dashboard and click this menu, you're going to click Smart Links and then you're going to hit Create. When you press Create and open that drop-down menu, there are two options. One is Shop, that's for setting up customers and recurring subscription customers. I'm going to be setting them one up for enrollment. That gets them the deepest discount and also gets them connected to you in the tree. And so I'm going to choose enrollment. That makes them a wholesale buyer and a brand partner. So we're going to click next on Welcome to Partner Code. And then make sure that your information or the correct sponsor is in this box. For placement information, what I recommend is placement queue because there may be something change in your lines between the time you send that link and the time they actually sit down to enroll. I actually like to call them and walk them through this process. However, if that's not an option, that's another reason I like placement queue because it will hold them in a queue and notify you once they've enrolled. And then you and your sponsor can look and see where is the most advantageous spot to place them in your tree. So placement queue, confirm. Now I'm going to be setting one up tonight for conversion of my drop customers over to a brand partner. It's going to save them money on their drops and it's going to connect them to me in the tree. So even at that, we're just going to do a 1-pack add to bag. Next. That's what they're getting right now. The digital business tools, of course, is what makes them a brand partner. It's their website. And it's automatically added when you choose the enrollment link. Click next. Now is where you set up their subscription. This is not what's shipping now. The first one that you chose is what is shipping right now. This is what will come in 4 weeks. So I like to discuss things with them. I really like this option. Most of the people that I'm connected to are over 40 and can benefit from Renew as well. So I really like this option. So I'm going to put that in their cart for next time. And of course, I'll discuss it with them. You can also come over and choose something else if you wanted to, but that's actually a great subscription option. So I'm going to place that in their cart. And if you wanted to choose something else, you could continue to shop. But for sake of this demonstration, we're going to click next. So their subscription is set up. And then this takes you to the billing and shipping. So when you're on this page, it's going to show you what you've got in their cart to ship right now, along with their digital business tools, the PV total, and their total price. Everything below there, as you see, is a subscription and ships later. It's going to ship in 4 weeks. Okay. So they will see this to complete billing, shipping, and checkout. So when you're on this page, click Smart Link, and this is what comes up. So you can name it so that you know what it is when you want to share it with someone else. You don't have to set these up every time. I'm going to put enroll 1-pack with subscription. Now I'm not going to, and it shows me that I'm going to put them in a placement queue. I'm not going to set up a pin. Pin makes this expire. And so I'm going to leave that blank and you just click generate link. This is the link. So if you wanted to save this QR code to place on a business card or on your digital business card, you can do that. But also you can just copy right here, okay? And then you can copy and paste that anywhere in a text message, in Messenger, anywhere you need to send it. So that is actually saved now. So we're going to go back to our SmartLinks, and I'm going to show you where that is. So back here, I'm going to go to my SmartLinks. And my enroll pack, one pack with subscription is right here. Now, when I choose to share that again with someone else, I can click here and that copies it to your clipboard, and then you just paste it. Now, another pro tip is to make your own board with your smart links, the name of the smart link, and then just the link itself below it. It makes it really quick when you're looking for those to share on the fly. If you have any questions about that, let us know. I am more than happy to help you set up any smart links. I really recommend you do one for enrollment with one pack with a subscription for your conversions of your droppers that are not interested in the business, a 4-pack, a 10-pack, and a 30-pack, always with the subscription. That subscription going forward, if they're here for business or thinking about the business, set it up with 100 PV. If they are a dropper and not interested in any other products, you can certainly just set it up for just that 76 PV drops. If you have any questions, drop them below this video, and I am happy to get back and answer them. And I'm happy to assist anybody in setting those up. Once you do it once or twice, it is just like riding a bicycle. You'll know it in and out.